Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite sunless tanners. So I pretty much use sunless tanners year round, but especially in the summertime, it's something that I keep up with all summer long because we're showing more skin in the summer, we're wearing shorts, swimsuits, but I don't want to bake myself in the sun and expose my skin to sun damage. So I'm going to share with you some products that I use for that. And I'm also going to be sharing with you a body skincare product that I have recently been using to give me SPF coverage daily. So I'm going to be totally honest in this video, and please don't shame me, but until recently I haven't been someone that has put sunscreen on my body daily. I mean, I do when I go to the beach or the pool or things like that, but on the daily I'm not, and brace yourselves, it gets worse. I'm someone that runs outside a lot and I protect my face. You know, sometimes I'll wear a cap. I always wear sunscreen on my face, but I'm not someone that typically puts on sunscreen on my body when I go outside and run. I know, I can't believe I just admitted that on the internet. I know, you guys, I know. However, I discovered a product recently that I do now use SPF on my body every day, but I don't have that heavy weighted feeling of an SPF that I think of when I go to the beach, you know, and you layer on the thick, sticky lotion. This is very different. So I'm excited to share that with you. This video is in partnership with Color Science. As you guys know, I love Color Science. I've worked with them on a few of their product launches, and I'm excited to share this one with you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I want to start with how I prep my skin for sunless tanner. I do my sunless tanner, depending on which one I do, I will do that like maybe 2 times a week, not more than 3 for sure. The sunless tanners that I use last several days, so I don't feel like I need more than twice a week really. But first I get out of the shower and I towel dry my body kind of lightly. I don't try and get out all the moisture from my skin, but I get off enough so that I don't have water droplets still on my skin. And I've been using the Sun Forgettable Total Body Shield Protection. That's wrong. Sun Forgettable Total Protection Body Shield. Got the words mixed up. This provides an SPF of 50. This is by Color Science. So what I love about this is it's an SPF of 50 protection, but it is like a body lotion. It provides moisture to your skin, so it's not just an SPF. You can kind of knock out the needing to use a body lotion and then an SPF separately. It does say to shake the bottle each time you use it. It's 100% chemical-free sun protection, so it uses zinc oxide at 12% to give you that sun protection. You can see that it's white. It reminds me of the face protection though, because just like the face protection, as you rub it into your skin, it disappears. But it leaves like the slightest bit of glow to your skin. I don't know if you can see that. Very slight. It's not thick or heavy at all. It's very, very lightweight. It has ingredients like shea butter and chamomile extract to really hydrate the skin. So I have been using this exclusively as my body moisture and my sun protection. But yeah, it's so lightweight, not thick or sticky at all. This also has the EnviroScreen technology similar to the face shield. So not only does this protect against UVA, UVB exposure, but it also protects against pollution, blue light, and infrared radiation. It is also water resistant up to 80 minutes, so it's perfect for the pool. It's perfect for me when I go out and run and I sweat and I'm drenched like I just jumped inside of a pool. But I love how lightweight it is, and I love that it doubles as my moisturizer and my SPF. So I have been using this every day as my body lotion and my SPF coverage, so I'm super excited to have discovered this. I know, you guys, I should have been using sun protection on my body way sooner, but I was good at the beach or the pool, but just not every day. I hadn't found a SPF that didn't feel thick or heavy on the body. And the fact that, like I said, the fact that I can use this as my body moisturizer too, it's like an added bonus. So as always, Color Science is offering a promotion. Using my code BODYLJ, you guys will get a full-size mineral pressed bronzer in the shade Santa Fe. Let me show you what it looks like on my hand. So with a $100 purchase on the site using my code, you get this bronzer. So you can see it's a real nice, rich, warm bronzer. So I will have the link and promotion code for you down below. Okay, so let's get started with Sunless Tanners. So the first that I want to share with you is the one I've spoken about most recently. It's Isle of Paradise Self-Tanning Water. I got this at Sephora, I don't know, within the last 2 months. I initially picked up the purple one, which was too dark for me, so I exchanged it for this one. So this is a tanning water. So when you spray it, I'm going to spray it on this hand because I just sprayed it on this one and then had to retake it. It's very light. It's like a mist, and it's like a water. I mean, you don't even see any product. It blends into the skin so easily and effortlessly. It has a very nice scent. It's kind of sweet smelling, but not overpowering. But I really like it with just how easy it is to apply. I do use a tanning mitt to apply all of my sunless tanners. It's kind of gross looking, just because they will leave my hands orange, and I'll have that kind of orange ring here in between the fingers, which is not cute. But I do really like this. I do recommend applying it in the shower. So I'll moisturize my body first, give that like a minute, and then I'll apply this and I'll just rub it in with that mitt. And I don't like to apply my clothes right away. I'll wear like a really light, loose robe that's very lightweight material, just so that the tanner doesn't transfer to my clothing. I'll do my makeup and my hair and all of that. So it's probably a good 30 or 45 minutes before I put on any clothes after I've applied my Sunless Tanner. The other tip is to do it at night if you want to avoid putting your clothes on right afterwards. And also if the smell, and if it really bothers you, you can use it at night and then just shower in the morning. That way you don't have that scent on you. Another product that I use, and I'm almost out of it, is the St. Tropez Bronzing Mousse. I've been using this for quite a while. This is my second bottle. So this is like a thick mousse. I'll show you what it looks like here. It looks like that, and I just put one pump on my hand, and I kind of do this so it gets evenly spread across the mitt, and then I'll go and apply this all over my body. This gives a nice rich color. I feel like the tanning water does as well, so I feel like you see results after one use. This more so than the tanning water on me. If I were to use the darker tanning water, I'd probably get the same results that I do. No, that's not true. That one was too dark. This one is not quite as dark as that, which I don't want. I don't want to be too dark, right? I want it to kind of look natural. This gives immediate results after one use. So I feel like this one I could use once a week, where the tanning water might be a twice a week maintenance. This does have a bit more scent than the tanning water, so I will use this at night before an event or before I want to have that tan. And then in the morning I'll shower so I don't have that smell on me all day long, especially in the summertime when it's so hot. Any scent on your body tends to just like, I don't know, get stronger and stronger throughout the day. So if it's something that has a strong scent, I like to apply it at night and wash in the morning. Okay, this is the product that I picked up that I did not like. It's the St. Tropez Bronzing Mist. I thought this would be easier because it's a mist, and I thought, oh, well, that'll be much easier than a mousse to apply, less mess. I was so wrong. It's so much more of a mess. I applied this in my shower, and we have white marble tile in our shower, and when I applied this, I was like, oh my gosh, what happened in here? It looks like a pig took a bath in here. It was so dirty. And it's really, really bronze, way too much. It doesn't look, I don't know, it just looked very strange on me. Not a fan of this. So I think I used this twice and I haven't used it since, but I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it would be an easier application. I thought it'd be more even of an application, right? Because it's a mist. But yeah, it was a big mess, so not a fan of this. And the one tanning product that I think I've used, gosh, probably for like 10 years, or as long as it's been out, is the Jergens Natural Glow Body Lotion. I seriously bought this when it launched, I remember that. And I'm not quite sure how long ago that was because I feel like I say something was last year and it was like 5 years ago. I think it's this mom brain that happens after you have young kids, but I have been using this forever. It's just a daily moisturizer that gives a very subtle tint to your skin. So it's not something that you can use one time and you're gonna have, you know, tan skin. It's something that you use every day and it gradually builds. So it's very natural looking and it also is a body moisturizer. This was what I was using daily until I discovered the color science because it's a hydrating, but this is more hydrating than the Jergens. This does the job, but this is definitely more hydrating in my opinion. Of course, this does not have SPF. But if you're looking for something super natural that you can just maintain your tan with, this is a nice option for you. And I get the shade fair to medium. So they have it in different levels, medium to dark, fair to medium, and I get it in fair to medium. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave all your questions and comments down below for me. Again, I will have all the information for color science in the description box. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to leave them down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!